Hello folks, and welcome once again to ETV Media YouTube channel, where we promote TVET and ICT related skill acquisition and education as well as businesses. TVET means technical vocational education and training, as well as anything concerning ICT. This is because we think TVET is the most guaranteed way of curbing the youth unemployment problem in the world, particularly in Africa, most especially in Black Africa. So we will do whatever we can in promoting TVET and ICT related skill acquisition, education and businesses. So today I'm going to be talking about a TVET skill acquisition that can provide you the kind of sustainable and satisfactory job or career path that most people are yearning for. It's a skill that is in plain sight, yet a lot of people, for one reason or the other, just ignore it. What am I talking about? I'll tell you soon, but before we get there, I would like to implore you, if you still haven't subscribed to this channel, please kindly do so now. Subscription is easy and it is free. You won't be charged anything but that. Just click on the red subscription button below at the corner there, and then you click on the notification bell, and then that's it. Anytime we upload any new video on TVET skill acquisition and education or any business related to TVET, you will be informed. So do so now so that you won't miss out on any of our interesting videos that we have lined up for you. When you come back, I'm going to be delving into this interesting TVET skill acquisition. It's in plain sight, yet a lot of people either miss out or ignore. I'll be right back. So what is this TVET skill that I was talking about? Now these days, almost everybody has a cell phone or one digital device or the other. Because of the huge influx of cell phones and other digital devices, there's also the need for these devices to be repaired. And that is what I'm going to be talking about today. Cell phone and other digital device repair services. There are only few repair centers all around. Usually you have the companies dealing in this cell phone and other digital devices providing after-sales service. But that may not be enough to satisfy the market. So a huge opportunity exists out there to learn how to repair cell phones and other digital devices. It's a huge opportunity, yet for some reason, just a few people are exploiting this money-making opportunity that exists out there. And I will encourage everybody, but there is a caveat. To be a good cell phone repair technician, you must necessarily be interested in tech stuff, because cell phones are basically computers. They are just small computers we carry around. So you have to be interested in computers or softwares, engineering of a kind. If you are not somebody who is interested in technology and its related activities, you might not find the job very satisfying. So it is important that you must be somebody who is very interested in cell phones, who is interested in technology and the various development that, because the cell phone industry is one that has many new initiatives and development coming almost every day. In fact, almost every hour there's something new that is coming to the cell phone world. So you have to be abreast with technology, and you have to be somebody who is computer savvy to be an excellent cell phone repair technician. Now, there are various ways in which you can train yourself. As I have been constantly saying on this channel, one avenue for acquiring any TVET or ICT skill is the internet. There's so much information out there that you can get on starting any kind of business or gaining any knowledge or education in any TVET, that's technical or vocational or ICT stuff. So it's the same for phone repairs. You can either have yourself trained in an institution or you learn it on the internet for free. Now, if you choose to go to an institution, which I recommend, no matter what skill you acquire on the internet, it's always better and good that you get certain kind of certification, by either attending a course or an institution where you are taken through some of the fundamental theories behind what you are doing, and of course so that you have certification which can enable you to do other bigger projects and jobs. So I'll recommend that you can acquire your skill on the internet but still get some certification from any of these institutions. One institution that I recommend is any car care service. Car care is basically the official after-sales service provider for techno services, techno phones. But they also are accredited to repair phones of other phone brands around the world. Their services are spread out around the world. So you can Google any car care service near you. You'll be given the address or contact details, and you can go there and want to be trained as a cell phone repairer. Whatever phone you start with, will give you a good foundation to graduate into other phones. There are basically 3 different types of phone operating systems that you need to learn and understand how they operate. These are iOS or Apple related devices, and then 2 Android related operating systems, and then Microsoft related operating systems. These services work slightly differently, so it is important that you understand each of them, and then most importantly, what problems are unique to these 3 different operating systems. There are problems that are unique to iPhones, and problems that are unique to Android systems, and problems that are unique to Microsoft operated systems. Now on the internet, there are various sites that you can learn how to repair or become a phone repair technician. I'm going to give you my top 5 of these websites that provide excellent information on how to become a phone repairer or a phone repair technician. The 5th best website for learning how to become a phone repair technician, in my view, is a website called mobilerepairingonline.com. This is the website, and you go there and you have access to various aspects of mobile repair, and you can have mobile repairing course updates, mobile repairing tools, learning mobile repairing, and of course various aspects of mobile repair that you can learn from. Mobile PC diagram, free download, and all schematic PDF. So there's a PDF that you can download and then have access to all that you need to know about mobile repair. The iPhone diagram, here you learn about how to repair iPhones and the diagrams that you need to know as an iPhone repairer. Various things and about various phones that you can learn on this website. So these are videos that you can watch. We even recommend books that you can learn from. All these are available for you for free. And then the mobile repairing tools that you need, the soldering iron. Very informative website where you learn about all these tools. All of these things you learn about them, what they are and what they can do on this website, mobilerepairingonline.com. The 4th and next website that I'll recommend that you check out is vkrepair.com. This is the website for vkrepair.com, and here again there are various things you can learn from this website. Okay, for instance, make money repairing, fix and flip, tutorials, reviews, iPhone repair, parts, diagrams, and then ask a question. So you have any difficulty with regard to repairing a phone, you can ask on this platform and they will give you various things that you can learn on this website. iPhone photos disappear from camera, raw fix, and how to troubleshoot or solve the various problems that comes with iPhones that people will be bringing to your doorstep. And the more information you have on all this, the better you are, or the better your market as a phone repairer. There's various content for you to sample and then improve your skill as a phone repairer. Fix and flip, how you can fix a phone and repair it. So there are people who bring a phone for you, they might not really want it back because they've got new ones, but they will leave it with you. You can fix those phones and then sell it and make good money. It teaches you how to do that and do that legally. Not like you're stealing anybody's phone. You just repairing phones, or you can even buy cheap, you fix it and then you sell it. All these are available for you on vkrepair.com. The 3rd website that I recommend that you visit to learn or upgrade your skill in mobile phone repair or mobile phone repair technician is allgsmtips.com. It's allgsmtips.com. Now, for some reason, this particular website is not opening. I think they have some repairs on this website. Services are currently not available, so I'm sure by the time you are ready to access it, the services would have been restored, and then you can access this website. Here you find a lot of tech enthusiasts, who come together to provide a forum where they discuss many aspects of mobile phone repair challenges and solutions. So if you have any unique problem that you may be facing as a mobile phone repair technician, this is a good blog for you or a good website for you to go to, put out your problem, and certainly you have somebody somewhere who has a solution or who has a direction as to how you can easily solve this problem. The second website that I'll recommend that you check out, the number 2 website of my top 5 website for learning phone repairs online for free, is Cell Phone Repair Tutorials. Click, and this is their site. They have various things that you can learn from. This mainly a blogs website or a forum where you can post questions and then get answers to them. Various questions on various brands of phones, Nokia, Samsung, Motorola, Sony Ericsson, LG, Apple, HTC, BlackBerry, China phones, and many others. Whatever phone it is that you're having a problem with or you want to ask questions about with regard to repair and restoration, you come to this site, type it in, and you'll get answers from people who have the answers. They have forums where you can interact with other people or other tech enthusiasts. By far, my number 1 website for learning how to become a phone repair technician is ifixit.com. This is the website for ifixit.com, and from here so many things that you can learn. They are by far the best website for you. So many things that anything about phone repair. They even teach about repairing other devices, iPads, laptops. They deal with different brands, even washing machine repair guides to repairing various tech devices, even the tech stuff on car and trucks. Those additional functionalities that are in those modern cars. They teach you how to repair all these things: Acura, Audi, BM, Buick, Cadillac, Chevrolet, Chrysler, a whole lot of cars. You learn to solve or diagnose problems related to all these type of cars. A great addition to your skills. Of course, if you are not really interested in cars or how to repair cars, you can skip it. But it is also good that you have information on this thing in cars, PC and desktop, game consoles, PC, laptop, cameras, and also imagine having a skill in repairing all this stuff. How to repair Mac, tablets, how to fix tablets, Windows operating system. They'll show you the various things that you need to know about repairing anything that operates on the Windows operating system. They will teach you all these things. E-reader, PDAs, all this information is available for you. So you must be somebody who is very interested in tech stuff and to enjoy doing this kind of job. You just don't go in just because you want to make money. Apple and Android operating system are the 2 most prominent or common or widely used operating systems. So having knowledge on how to repair devices that run on iOS, Android, and Microsoft will be a great addition to your skills. iPhone, Android, Windows, BlackBerry, and other operating systems, phone accessories, landline phone. So there's so much you can learn from ifixit.com. They provide a vast array of tutorials and teachings on how to be truly a phone repair technician. You can even learn about camera repair. So all the various pro camera repairs available, you learn to repair them so that people don't need to send them abroad or to the original manufacturer. If you have the skill and the accreditation, you can repair any of these camera brands, be an expert in whichever corner you find yourself, and be making good money. All this can be done from your room or your bedroom. You don't need to go hire any expensive store or anything. You can be doing this from your bedroom. Nobody cares where their devices are repaired. What matters is that the device is repaired. You can learn all of this for free online. So ifixit.com is my #1 most informative website where you can learn to become a phone repair technician for free. This is the most renowned website in this field. It is the most well-known and most recognized website for teaching or upgrading your skills in cell phone repair business. One thing I have to point out is that with the cell phone repair business, you have the opportunity to broaden into other areas as well. You can learn how to repair other tech devices as well, like smart TVs, flat screens, and many other tech devices that you can learn. This broadens your scope, and of course it's avenue for making more money. These days, every household has at least one flat screen TV, and there are not too many TV repair centers around, and you know how expensive it is to get these devices. So if you learn how to repair any of these things, you could be raking in a lot of money depending on where you are. Start with the phone repair business and then branch out, and you can even add dealing in these services. So apart from repairing them, you can be providing accessories to these tech devices in terms of headphones, cover screens, and a whole lot of accessories that you can add to your services. So you can be dealing in these products as well as providing repair and after sales services. And once you are a good boy, the future is yours for the taking. Okay, so that's what I have for you this week. But I want to remind you that for those of you who are interested in video production, either producing video for social media or for any other purpose, I provide a class on skillshare.com. Skillshare.com. I teach a class on various aspects of video production, particularly script writing, video directing, and then editing. Go to skillshare.com. You'll find the link to my class on the description to this video. Just go there and click on it. You have access to the tricks and tips in producing video as a pro, for whatever purpose that you want to do so. Skillshare.com. The link is in my descriptions. Just go there and click on my Skillshare link, and you have access to my class. There are also various other items that I recommend for any TVET oriented person. I have links to the various softwares also in my descriptions. Just go there, click on them, and you have access to the various softwares that have helped me tremendously, and also a book that changed my perception altogether and why I am so very passionate about promoting TVET skills and ICT education and skill acquisition. If you acquire a TVET skill, your chances of getting employment or even employing yourself are very great. Thank you very much. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. If you haven't done so, just click on the red subscription button below and then click on the notification bell, and that's it. You are done. You'll be informed that we've uploaded a new video, so you don't miss out on any of our upcoming videos, and of course all the videos that we've done so far on TVET and ICT skill acquisition and education. Thank you very much. I'll see you very soon. God bless and have a wonderful day.